Dear students, this session we are going to see few more previous year questions. If A vector equal to 2I vector plus J vector plus 2K vector, then modulus of I vector cross A vector cross I the whole squared plus J vector cross A vector cross J the whole squared plus K vector cross A cross K the whole squared. Is equal to it's a numerical type question. A vector equal to 2I vector plus J vector plus 2K vector. I vector cross A vector cross I vector equal to I vector dot I vector into A vector minus I vector dot A vector into I. I dot I 1, that is A vector. I dot A, that is, if we take A vector, I vector dot means I vector dot 2I plus J plus 2K, you will get 2. So for this the answer is 2. So 2 into I vector. But we know that A vector equal to 2I vector plus J vector like that, J vector cross A cross J, J dot J into A minus J vector dot A vector into J, that is A vector, that is 2I vector plus J vector plus 2K vector minus 2I vector, J vector plus 2K vector, modulus of J vector plus 2K vector the whole square, root of 1 plus 4 the whole square, root 5 the whole square equal to 5. So I vector cross A vector cross I vector the whole square equal to 5. Next you take J vector cross A vector cross J vector. J vector dot J vector into A vector minus J vector dot A vector into J vector. This is A vector minus J dot A. 0 or j, one remaining answer will be 0. A vector minus j vector, that is 2i vector plus j vector plus 2k vector minus j vector. This will be cancelled. 2i plus 2k. Modulus of j vector cross a cross j the whole square equal to 4 plus 4 the whole square. Root 8 the whole square equal to 8. So j vector cross a vector cross j vector the whole square equal to 8. You take k vector cross a vector cross k vector. K vector dot k vector into a vector minus k vector dot a vector into k vector. This is a vector minus, to find k vector dot a vector equal k dot k 1, that is 2. That is 2 into k vector. 2a plus j plus 2k minus 2k. This will be cancelled. 2i vector plus j vector. Modulus of k vector cross the whole square. 4 plus 1 the whole square. 5. Therefore, I vector cross a cross a whole square plus j vector cross a cross a whole square plus k vector cross a vector cross the whole square equal to, for this answer 5. Next 8. Again for this answer is 5. Eighteen. If the volume of the parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are given by the vectors a vector equal to I vector plus j vector plus nk, b vector equal to 2i vector plus 4j vector minus nk, and c vector equal to I vector plus nj vector plus 3k. N is greater than equal to 0 is 100 and 158 cubic units. Then a vector dot c vector equal to 17, first option 71. B vector dot C vector equal to 10. N equals 7, N equal to 9. So, volume of the parallelepiped, that is A vector, B vector, C vector equal to 1, 1 n, 2, 4 minus n, 1 n, 3. We expand 1 into 12 plus n squared minus 1 into 6 plus n plus n into 2n minus 4. 12 plus n squared minus 6 minus n plus 2n squared minus 4n. 3n squared minus 5n plus 12. 12 minus 6, that is 6. So 158 is given, which implies 3n squared (158). (3n squared minus 5n minus 152 equal to 0). Minus 456. The difference should be 5. (24 into 9) minus 24 by 3, 19 by 3, minus 8 comma 19 by 3. So 3n plus 19 into n minus 8 equal to 0. N equal to 9 minus 19 by 3, n equal to 8. N is greater than 0, which implies n equal to 8. So substitute the value of n in the given vectors A, B vector, I vector plus J vector plus nk, that is 8k vector. B vector equal to 2i plus 4j minus nk, that is minus 8k. C vector, I vector plus 8j vector plus 3k vector. Find A vector dot C vector. 1 into 8, 8 into 3, 24. That is 33. Next you try with B vector dot C vector. I dot I 1, that is 2. 8 into 4, 32. Minus 24. 34 minus 24, 10. So we have found n equal to 8. Option 3 is wrong. Option 4 is wrong. Option 1 is also wrong. So option B is correct. That is B vector dot C vector equal to 10. Let the vectors A vector, B vector, C vector be such that modulus A vector equal to modulus B vector 4 and modulus C vector equal to 4. If the projection of B vector on A vector is equal to the projection of C vector on A vector, and B vector is perpendicular to C vector, then the value of A vector plus B vector minus C vector. This is also numerical type question. So modulus A vector equal to 2, modulus B vector equal to 4, modulus C vector equal to 4. Projection of B vector on A vector equal to projection of C vector on A vector, which means B vector dot A vector by modulus A vector equal to C vector dot A vector by modulus A vector, which means that B vector dot A vector equal to C vector dot A vector. Also, B vector perpendicular to C vector, which means B vector dot C vector equal to 0. So A vector dot B vector equal to A dot C, B vector dot C vector equal to 0. B dot A is equal to A dot B, C dot A equal to A dot C, since dot part is commutative. Modulus of A vector plus B vector minus C vector the whole square. Modulus A vector square plus modulus B vector square plus modulus C vector square plus 2 into A vector dot B vector minus 2 into B vector dot C vector minus 2 into C vector dot A vector. So modulus A vector equal to 2, that is 2 squared plus 4 squared plus 4 squared plus 2 into A vector dot B, B dot C equal to 0 minus 2 into, in place of C dot A you can write A dot C equal to A dot B. So plus 2 A dot B, this will be cancelled. That is 36, which implies modulus of A vector plus B vector minus C vector equal to root 36 equal to 6. If A vector and B vector are unit vectors, then the greatest value of root 3 into modulus of A vector plus B vector plus modulus of A vector minus B vector is. So we know A and B are unit vectors, that means modulus A vector equal to modulus B vector equal to 1. Modulus of A vector plus B vector whole squared, modulus A vector squared plus modulus B vector squared plus twice A vector dot B vector. 1 plus 1 plus twice modulus A vector into modulus B vector cos theta. 2 plus 2 into 1 into cos theta. 2 into 1 plus cos theta. 2 into 2 cos squared theta by 2. That is 4. So modulus of A vector plus B vector means modulus of A plus B whole squared equal to 4 cos squared theta by 2. Taken square root. So modulus of A vector plus B vector equal to 2 into cos theta by 2. In fact, 2 into cos theta by 2. So modulus of A vector plus B vector equal to 2 into modulus of whatever the angle, this should be positive. Next you find modulus of A vector minus B vector. Modulus A vector square plus modulus B vector square minus twice A vector dot B vector. 1 plus 1 minus twice modulus A vector sin theta. 2 minus 2 into 1 into sin theta. 2 into 1 minus sin theta. 2 into 2 sin square theta by 2. That is 4 sin square theta by 2. If you take modulus that is 2 sin theta by 2. So modulus of A vector minus B vector equal to 2 into modulus of sin theta by 2. Root 3 into modulus of A vector plus B vector plus modulus of A vector minus B vector equal to root 3 into 2 into modulus cos theta by 2 plus 2 into modulus sin theta by 2. 2 into root 3 cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. We have minus of root of a square plus b squared less than equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta less than equal to root of a square plus b squared, which implies root 3 whole square plus 1 squared less than equal to root 3 plus root of root 3 whole square plus 1 square. Minus. So minus 2 less than equal to root 3 less than equal to 2. Therefore, which implies greatest value of root 3 into modulus of a plus b into modulus of a vector minus b vector equal to, here already we have 2, the greatest value is 2 equal to 4. If x vector and y vector fit to non-zero vectors such that modulus of x0 plus y to modulus x vector and 2 into x vector plus lambda into y vector is perpendicular to y vector, then lambda equal to so modulus of x plus y equal to modulus x, which implies modulus of x vector plus whole square equal to modulus a vector square. Modulus a vector square plus modulus y vector square plus 2 into x vector dot y vector equal to modulus x vector square. This will be cancelled. 2 into x vector dot y vector plus this can be written as y vector dot y vector. 2x vector plus lambda y vector is perpendicular to y vector. So dot y vector equal to 0. 2x vector dot y vector plus lambda y vector dot y vector equal to 0. That will be 2. From 1 and 2, 2x vector dot y vector, here also 2x y vector, y dot y, here y dot y, but we have, so lambda takes value 1. Let the line x minus 2 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 5 minus 5 equal to z plus 2 by 2 lie in the plan x plus 3 minus alpha z plus beta equal 0. Then alpha comma beta equals minus 6 comma 7, b 5 comma minus 15, minus 5 comma 15, d. Six comma minus 17. So the basic concept is this line lies in the plan. That means the line contains a point 2, 1, 2. This also lies in the plan. Another concept is the plan lies in the line lies in the plan means for this can be one parallel vector. There is a normal to this plan. this parallel normal should be perpendicular. Direction reaches the parallel line and direction normal are perpendicular. We are going to adopt these two concepts. So we have seen this concept. I have given you notes regarding this. So 2, 1 minus 2. Since the line lies in the plane, the point which lies on this line also lies in the plane. 2, 1 minus lies in the plane x plus 3y minus alpha z plus beta equals 0, which means 2 plus 3 minus alpha into minus 2 plus beta equals 0. So 2 alpha plus beta equal to minus 5 plus that is 1. Directions of the line are 3, minus 5, 2. Directions to normal are 1, 3 minus alpha. 1, 3 minus alpha. Two alpha plus beta equal to this value minus 5. Since the parallel line and normal are perpendicular, line and normal are perpendicular. That is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. 3 into 1 plus minus 5 into 3 plus 2 into minus alpha equal to 0. Three minus 15 minus 2 alpha equal 0, minus 2 equal to 2 alpha, alpha equal to minus 6. Two alpha plus beta equal to minus 5. 2 into minus 6 plus beta equal to minus 5. Beta equal to minus 5 plus 12, that is 7. So alpha comma beta equal to minus 6 comma 7. Option A is correct. the equation of the plan containing the line 2x minus 5y plus z equal to 3, x plus y plus 4z equal to 5, and parallel to the plan x plus 3y plus 6z plus 1 equal to 0 is equal to 1 is first option x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 7, 2x plus 6y plus 12 is equal to minus 13, 2x plus 6y 12 is equal to 13, x plus 3y 6 is equal to minus 7. So, equation of plan containing the lines is 2x minus 5y plus z minus 3 plus lambda into x plus y plus 4z minus 5 equal 0. 2 plus lambda x into 2 plus lambda plus y into minus 5 plus lambda result into 1 plus 4 lambda plus minus 3 minus 5 lambda equal to 0. That is 1. This plan is parallel to the plan x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 1. So, we have normal to this plan as well normal to this plan. The normal should be parallel. So, which implies normals are parallel, directions of normals are proportional. That means here we have 2 plus lambda divided by here we have 1 equal to here minus 5 plus lambda divided by here we have 3 equal to 1 plus 4 lambda by 6. So 2 plus lambda equal to minus 5 plus lambda by 3. 6 plus 3 lambda equal to minus 5 plus lambda. 3 lambda minus lambda equal to minus 5 minus 6. 2 lambda equal to minus 11. Lambda equal to minus 11 by 2. The required plan is 2x minus 5y plus z minus 3 plus lambda into x plus y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. To x minus 5y plus z minus 3 minus, in place of lambda you take minus 11 by 2. Four x minus 10y plus 2z minus 6 minus 11x minus 11 minus 44z plus 55 equal to 0. 4x minus 11x minus 7x minus 21y. 2z minus 44z, that is minus 42z plus 49 equal 0. Dividing by 7 throughout, minus 7. X plus 3y plus 6z minus 7 equal to 0. Or x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 7. Option A is correct. Next question. If the vectors AB vector, that is 3i plus 4k, and AC vector 5i minus 2j plus 4k, or sides of a triangle ABC then the length of the median through A is the length of the median through A is root 18, root 72, root 33 and root 45. So ABC is triangle, D is the midpoint, that is median. So AD vector equal to 2AB vector plus AD vector equal to AB vector AB plus BD. Again AD vector equal to AC vector plus CD vector. AC vector minus BD vector. So 2 AD vector equal to AB vector plus BD vector plus AC vector minus, this will be cancelled. So 2 AD vector equal to AB vector plus AC vector. So 2 AD vector equal to AB vector, that is 3i plus 4k plus AC vector 5i minus 2j plus 4k. Eight I minus 2j plus 8k, get 2 AD vector. So AD vector equal to 4i minus j plus 4k. So modulus AD vector 4 square plus minus 1 square plus 4 square. So modulus AD vector equal to 16 plus 1 plus 16 equal to root 33. So option C is correct. Let A of 3, 0, minus 1, B of 2, 10, 6, and C of 1, 2, 1. Be the vertex of a triangle and M be the midpoint of AC. If G divides BM, the ratio 2:1, then cos GOA is equal to 1 by root 30, 1 by 6 root 10, 1 by root 15, 1 by 2 root 15. 3 vertices are given. M be the sides of AC. G divides BM in the ratio 2:1 angle GOA. You take a triangle A, B, C. M is the midpoint of AC. The point G divides 2:1. G, so take origin any point. G O A. M is the midpoint of A and C. 3 plus 1 by 2, 0 plus 2 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2. That is 2, 1, 0. So, OM vector equal to 2I plus J. So, OG vector equal to 2 into OM vector 1 into OB vector divided by 2 plus 1. 2 into OM, that is 2I plus J plus OB 2I plus 10J plus 6K divided by 3. 2 into A, 4I, 4I plus 2I, 6I, 2J plus 10J, 12J plus 6K by 3. So, OG vector equal to 2I plus 4J plus 2K. OA vector 3I minus K vector. Cos GOA we have to find, that is OA vector dot OG vector divided by or OG vector dot, but dot part is commutative. So 2I plus 4J plus 2K dot 3I minus K by modulus of 2I plus 4J plus 2K modulus of 3I minus K equal to 2 into 3, 6, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 divided by root of 4 plus 16 plus 4, 9 plus 1. 4 by root 20 into root 10, root 24. 4 into 4 into root 6, 2 into 5. 4 by 2 into root 6, root 2, root 5. This is 2. 2 by root 2 into root 3 into root 2 into 5. 2 by 2 into root 15. One by root 15. Option C correct. Dear students, we have discussed so many problems and recently asked previous papers. There is no limit practicing sums, but with this we have to conclude this chapter. Go through all concepts and practice sums like this. We will start a new chapter in the next class. Thank you.